Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A question puzzle philosophers, scientists, and scholars for many centuries. Question is very simple. It is possible. Something does not come from nothing. It is my concept. But question is that it is possible to come something from nothing. I know there is many school of thought, philosophers, scientists, and their argument also exists in books and many search papers. But our opinion is very clear that it is impossible. Because if you try to understand this concept by your logic, your result is very clear. Result is it is not possible. I try to understand with an example. I ask someone, please bring me water. He will reply me, where is the glass? Where is the pot? In which I bring water, and there is no glass, there is no pot, and there is no pipe. It is not possible to bring water without any pot, without any glass, because bring water is something. And this something does not happen from nothing. Because nothing is nothing. Something is something. Because, therefore, our concept is that what is the before this universe? Creation of universe is something. And something cannot exist without something. It is impossible to something come from nothing. This is our opinion. And there is clear that before this universe is a one entity. He is everlasting. He is immortal. He is God Almighty.